y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It does help me out, and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. And if you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join us. We always do so many different fun unboxings and reviews here. As you can see from the description, I am super excited. We have our December Universal Yums. And I love Universal Yums. It is a monthly snack subscription where you receive snacks from one select country, and it's just a variety of the different snacks that country offers. I do know, because of this right here, that December they decided to go with snacks from all over. Generally, like I said, Universal Yums is one country a month, but this month we're going to have a variety. So I'm excited to see what they've done and kind of let it be a little bit different this month. It is a $14 a month subscription for the Yum box, which is the one I receive. They do have like a middle box that I want to say is like $29, and then they do have a like super yum box, and it is like $39 or $49. But I will leave a link down below that if you would like to sign up, it will get you $5 off your first month. So that's pretty awesome. So let's get our box cutter and open this bad boy up. Can y'all believe Christmas is like right around the corner? Oh, all right. Cut it, but okay. So this is what it looks like when we open it. And it just, this is always included. They always include where you can vote, you can upload your picture, your ballot here, and you could end up winning like a box, or I'm not exactly sure, but you could win if you post. I never do it. But so that is that. And then it always comes with a little booklet that will tell you about the snacks you received, what, you know, flavors and things like that. I'm certain that this one is going to tell us the country for each one, since they are different. So let's take a look. Yes. Okay. So it just says Happy Holiday, and as you can see, it has many different holiday images for different, you know, holiday celebrations. One thing I do like, and this is always fun, on the back of this booklet, they always put a clue to next month's box. So we're actually going to do this first, and then we'll dive in. So let's see. The perfect place to ring in the new year. A country with castles and cabbage and lots of good beer. There will be unusual chocolate and a lucky coin sweet. Say hello 2019 and get ready to eat. Castles and cabbage, beer, lucky coin. I'm going to say Ireland. I'm going to say Ireland. I think January's box is going to be Ireland. Here is the clue if you would like to pause it and read. Let me know what country you guys think. I'm going to go with Ireland. We'll find out in January. But that's what I'm going to go with. So let's open it up. Find out about our snacks. So this very first one on top right here is sweet egg yolk flavored popcorn. I don't know about egg yolk popcorn already. This is from Taiwan. It says popcorn with egg yolk flavored coating. All right. I had not intended to do like a taste test, but you know what? This has me intrigued, so we are going to do a taste test. sweet egg yolk. This is what it just looks like, buttery popcorn. And I'm trying to figure out what it smells like, because it kind of has a cheese but almost caramel popcorn with butter scent going on. It's weird. It smells like one of the Christmas tins when you open it and you have all three of the flavors. That's kind of what this smells like. Sweet egg yolk flavored popcorn. Now I'm really tasting the egg yolk. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. It almost really just tasted like a cheddar. But it's the aftertaste that's getting me. It's not terrible. Well, my face might be saying otherwise. It's just unusual. But that's the fun of Universal Yums. So let's just move along. The next one here, I am not even... Right here, this is Strasnik Bramberky. I don't know if I said that correctly. This is from the Czech Republic. This is mustard potato chips. That's crazy, because I believe it was my December munch pack. I got ketchup flavored potato chips. So let's see. Not really a big mustard fan. Just look like regular potato chips. They don't smell overly of mustard. I want a tiny one, or not. Okay, that'll work. They're hot. It was like a horseradish or a really strong Dijon mustard. They're not bad. They really aren't. I didn't expect that. So, yeah. Caught me off guard with that, like, pow kick. But the flavor of them is good. They are pretty good. Now that I know what to expect. Let's see. Here we have... Ooh, this is interesting. Gingerbread with mint flavored icing. This is from Poland. And that's just what it says. This gingerbread with mint icing. This is what they look like, little cookies. So... they smell like gingerbread, I guess. Those are really good. They're soft. Like, these are really, really good. I'm surprised with the gingerbread and mint, because gingerbread is so full of spice, like warm spices. But then the mint is actually really good. I'm gonna eat the whole cookie. Still have a few more. These don't look as scary. This is really good. Okay. Sorry, I was looking at the name for the next item. This is prickly pear yugwa candy. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so we were going with the prickly pear yugwa candy. Prickly pear flavored rice candy. This is from South Korea. I've never had prickly pear. It doesn't really have a smell. And it almost feels like it's gonna be, well, it said rice candy, so yeah, it feels very almost like airy. It doesn't really have a flavor, like at all. And you can see it's like, it is like an airy, but there's like literally no flavor, which I guess is better than like an odd flavor. But yeah, there's like no flavor. So, okay. Let's see. Then we have San Andreas Crunchy Chocolate Turon. Chocolate nougat with crisp rice. This is from Spain. So this sounds yummy, actually. Kind of like a Nestle Crunch maybe, but with nougat. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't think I've done a taste test in a while. Oh. That is really good. I don't really taste any nougat. It tastes like a Nestle Crunch, but like an elevated, little bit fancier version. It's really good. And then we have the Lucky New Year's candy, crunchy sesame candy. This is from China. So let's give this a try. And then, ooh, some stuff flew out at me. And then we have one after this, and then we will be done. Looks a little, little offsetting. Smells like peanut. Oh, I cannot think of those. I've had them here at Christmas time. They're like little wafery, peanut buttery. I can't think of what they are. If you guys know, if you know what I'm talking about, let me know. I can't think of the name. That's exactly what it tastes like. Where they're like, I think they're white with like little brown lines, and they're like wafery, sugary, peanut butter things. That's exactly what this tastes like. That's very good. That is very good. It's a little messy. It like flaked on me. But I cannot think of what those are. But it's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like something we have here. And then our final one I saw it and I kind of wanted to save it for last because I'm kind of excited. I didn't look at the name. Qualitats Marzipan Brot. Marzipan bar with dark chocolate. This is from Germany. So I'm excited to see what this tastes like. And after a bite of this, I think I have hit my sugar quota for that day. And this is what it looks like. That is so good. That is so good. That is my favorite item in the box. I think the popcorn and the chips kind of tied for unusual. The chips, like I said, they really were not bad. It's just I didn't expect such a like hot mustard. The prickly pear candy, no flavor. The gingerbread cookie things are amazing. The little chocolate nougat thing is great. And then the little Chinese candy that tastes like that. Whatever it is that we have here that I can't think of the name of, that was really good too. So that was Universal Yums for December 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sure that I probably made some crazy faces, so please excuse that. Otherwise, please give me, like I said, give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And like I said, if you know what I'm talking about with the little like white and brown candies that taste like peanut butter kind of, let me know what the name of them is. I can't remember. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk with you soon. Have a fabulous day.